guys, I am back with another video, and today's video is not gonna be a tutorial. So it is just me doing what I know how to do best, of course, doing hair. And I just want you guys to watch me as I do. So basically these are the items that I use for the style, and the style that we are doing today is called knotless soft locks. This style is called knotless soft locks because it is mostly done without a knot. Some people do it with a knot, which I think that it is not good for your client's natural hair. But when you do it without a knot, I feel like it's the best way to do them because then it doesn't break out your client's hair. So please stay tuned and watch me install this style. Also, if you're here for the first time, please do not forget to hit the subscribe buttons, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back.